Couple gas jugs, gotta get out of the way. Oh yeah. What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage. Today I got a little product that's been seen on TV before, or you guys have been seeing this on the internet. These guys hit me up and were like, yo, you wanna try out some Shine Armor? This stuff right here, which is a detailing product, shinearmor.com. I'll have a link down for this below. This is not a paid promotion, but if you guys do pick up a bottle of this, I get a little bit of a cut. Cool, whatever. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion compared to Carbon Collective right here. It's another ceramic detailer, so I figured let's put them both to the test, right? I also have used a ton of different detailing products. I'll show you my vast assortment. This is my shelf. So like I got a lot of different stuff, like this one, I don't know, total interior, whatever. Here's another hybrid coating that I have, fallout remover, carpal pearl. This is usually my go-to for my waterless wash and wax right here, the EcoSmart. I love that stuff, that's concentrate. Here's some of this, the VO7. That's for a sealer. Some clay Luber. What else I got? This stuff I usually wash my car with. Just so you know, I have a pretty big assortment. So I think I can give you a pretty good idea of what I think of this stuff. I'm gonna be using it on my 2018 BMW M4, because why the heck not? And as you can see up in the sky, it's kind of freaking raining because, you know, why not clean your car when it's kind of raining? So yeah, we're just gonna brush off the crap. I haven't driven it in a couple days. It's got a little bit of junk on it. Probably cleaned it last week and just used my regular chemical guys in diluted solution right here. Now, I was seeing this stuff and like, I see them, they put the bottle on the hood of the Shine Armor, this stuff, you know, they show it, like you put it on the hood and it slides off. So we're gonna get an idea there. Sorry if you think my car is not dirty enough. Yeah, this is about as dirty as this car gets. I keep it clean because it's a freaking nice car. And I know some people aren't looking for detailing clean cars, but some people are. Now with this stuff, they sent me some microfiber cloths, so I'll be using those. One to spray it on and apply it, one to polish it off, basically. Same for the other side. I'll use some different microfiber towels that way. Speak right now, but not cross-contaminating it, so we get a good idea of what we're looking at. Now, here's how the water is beating up currently on the vehicle. Not bad, but also it's not rolling off. And this is expelled. The whole front of the car is clear broad. Okay, so with no product applied at all, just quickly wiped down the hood. Take a little bit of El Frago tape, just so we can kind of make a center line. Actually get it centered there. Cool. So we're gonna do it like this. Got the Carbon Collective stuff on the left-hand side here, and got the Shine Armor over here. I think I'll start with the Carbon Collective first because I've used this. This stuff has been applied to the hood before, fairly often actually, and we will try the Shine Armor here next on this side. This stuff pretty much applies the same, fresh microfiber applied to your rag. By the way, this one kind of smells like, I don't know, baby diapers. Not gross baby diapers, like not pooped in baby diapers, but some weird, I don't even know, like baby powder or something. Doesn't smell good. So there's your first kind of review on this one. Definitely not the best smelling stuff, so let's kind of put that on here. This is the product where you just apply it and then you polish it off. It's basically the same as the Shine Armor here. As you can see, has a bit of that haze. You kind of see that haze on there, so obviously no haze on this side. A bit of haze. You can actually see a little bit of a deeper color already from that. So I'm gonna get a clean microfiber just due to the fact that the other one was wet a little bit, so it actually kind of stopped raining, so that's nice. And so we're just gonna buff this out until kind of the haze goes away. Does give the car a very nice looking gloss, and it makes the paint feel pretty smooth. I wouldn't say amazingly smooth, like it's pretty good. I would say that I wish I had some, but my CarPro, what is it? CarPro Reload, that stuff I really like. It's not as good as this, but like I said, I'm all out, so maybe I'll need to restock. Maybe not. Maybe this stuff feels awesome. So let's try this guy in a sec here. Let's get a little glamour shot of right to left. So I think you guys can already kind of see how this looks a little bit deeper over here than this side over here. I don't know, slightly, but visually with my eyes, this definitely looks a little more wet than this side. Feel-wise, this has a ton more drag. So that little like test where you slide it, all right, so that one's sliding now, where I don't think it was sliding before. Let's do it with this. So you remember, they kind of show stuff sliding off the hood. So this one does kind of do that hood slide, if you will, too, after it's applied. So same idea there as what we've seen in the other videos. Let's try this one out. I'm gonna get a different microfiber, hang on. Now, these are the microfibers that they give you if you get one of like the little packages or whatever. You can get this alone. It is pretty inexpensive. This is like 20 bucks, where I think that other bottle I'm showing you, I think that's around $40, around there. And then like the CarPro one that I was talking about, Reload, I think that's around 45. So always make sure to remove the tag from the microfiber. That will induce scratching. They say apply this one to the microfiber cloth. Get a little sniff test. Okay, this one smells awesome. Definitely like a grape smell to this. So this one smells really good in comparison to the other stuff that I have. So they say, let's read this. Spray onto a clean microfiber and onto the surface. So we got that, and we'll do it like we did the other side, onto the surface as well. Cool. It's a very light mist, so as far as aeration, very light, nothing crazy. With that, I do feel that the product will last a bit longer, which is good. Feels pretty smooth, so that's good. That's pretty much it. I don't know if they want you to kind of wait or whatever, but yeah. They want you to buff off remaining haze before it dries. So we do have that haze here, as you can see, just like the other side did. So now, taking that clean side of that microfiber here, oops, folding it over, and we're gonna just kind of make sure we have this polished out. Now when we take the tape off too, that'll give you a good idea of where the stuff is not applied. So we do have a little, area on here that it's not applied. So on a side-by-side here, it's similar. This one, I feel like the Shine Armor has a bit more of a smooth feel to it than the other guy. Just barely, not a ton. Look-wise, I am looking at these hoods. I'm not noticing any difference as far as like shine goes. So as far as that goes, both sides look very good. Let's get a little closer here. I don't know, they're pretty similar products here. Now we'll do that little bit of that slip test. That one's pretty quick. I can't tell. Wow, that one's really fast there. Not as fast there. So I would say, I don't know, they both slide pretty quick. Hopefully I'm not like scratching up on my stuff, but they both slide pretty good. So I don't know, that's kind of an inconclusive test right there. Let's douse it with some water now. The wetness test. Let's see how we kind of do here. Looks about the same to me. I don't know. I'm gonna give that a tie. It's pretty similar there. Yeah. Let's see about taking the tape off here. I think I was supposed to take the tape off before, but I forgot. Before I got it wet, I think I was supposed to do that, but hopefully you guys can kind of see this line right here. That's where the tape was. Visually, yeah, I mean, it is a little more glossy, obviously, in this area. The way I'm feeling it here, definitely smoother on the sides than it is in the middle there. All right, so I'll just get this wet as well. Just kind of see. All right, as you can see in that middle area, you know, it wasn't protected as soon, but like I said, I do put protectant on this car quite often, so I mean, it's not like it's the dirtiest thing ever, that's for sure. If you have never used this type of stuff, I would say it is great. As far as concluding this video, both of these are great products in my opinion. I like both of these, and I like the Shine Armor too. The one thing I do like about this one is it says it's a waterless wash, shine, and protect, where this one is just a ceramic detailer, but they kind of do mention, I want to say that your car is supposed to be clean. Let me double check that. Spec from detailer, around parallel, apply to wet or dry. I don't know, maybe you can use this one as a regular detailer as well. I usually use this after my car is already clean as an extra top coat. This stuff works as a quick coat. So you got a quick coat, you can do a waterless wash like they say. It's supposed to prevent scratching and that sort of stuff. Kind of like EcoSmart that I have chilling over here. This Chemical Guys stuff. This one does smell very good. This one smells amazing. I love the smell of grapes, so that is a big win over this guy. This one smells gross, like something in a laboratory. Not that bad, not like poison or anything, but definitely not as good as this one. This one has a nice grapey scent. So as far as a protectant goes, like I said, both of these are great protectants. I don't feel that one is better than another. I think they're both very good ceramic detailers. As far as smell goes, obviously the win is this guy. As far as price goes, also goes to this guy right here, to the Shine Armor. You know what a good thing is? Check that out. That's what I'm checking right there. If you put this in your car, it doesn't look like it's gonna leak. I were to put this guy in my trunk of my car, it leaks. It's annoying, actually. It's not leaking right now, but there it goes. It's not leaking right now, but this one usually leaks, and it leaks all over my crap, so that one sucks. So as far as the bottle goes, I'd give the bottle a win. I like the application. I say that it's a light, nice spray. And I think that you can get quite a few applications out of this little bottle. This one's like 20-something dollars, so pretty good deal. Nothing crazy. It's basically the same price as you're gonna pay for stuff at the auto parts store, and it looks like a professional detailer. I'll put a link down in the description for this stuff, guys. So this one's definitely not like blowing my mind by any reason. However, if you do not have a ceramic detailer like I do, I got about 3, like I was saying, well 3 now with this, it's very good. I would definitely recommend a ceramic detailer. So if you don't have one, pick one up, because this stuff is way better than just normal detailer that has like carnauba wax in it or whatever. I hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think about the product down below, and we will talk to you soon. Later, and rinse on. FYI, I will actually be putting this stuff in the trunk because it doesn't look like it leaks. So I like leaving some heavy, microfibers in here. Got quite a few microfibers in my trunk. Use some of the cheapo Kirkland ones as well. Those are kind of my disposable ones. And I have a heavier matte, edgeless microfiber in the trunk. But yeah, that's where it's gonna stay. So 20 bucks, that's pretty awesome. That's a dang good price. I like it.